everyone, I am Satya from this department. Now we are going to discuss about the topic crystal. We are very well known about the crystal material. What is the crystal? In this case, crystal material having two types, crystal and then non-crystal material. What is crystal? Crystal is nothing but regular arrangement of atoms or molecules called as crystal, and then you know very well know about the crystal, the regular arrangement of atoms and molecules called as crystal. And then what is non-crystal material? Non-crystal. Non-crystal is nothing but non-crystal are also called as amorphous. Amorphous is nothing but irregular arrangement of atoms and molecules called as non-crystal material or amorphous. Irregular means randomly arranged of atoms and molecules called as amorphous solid. Okay, these are the basic introduction about the crystal. And next we are going to discuss about the topic crystal parameters. Already we know about the lattice. First one is lattice, and then second one is basis, space lattice, so lattice plane, and then fourth one is primitive cell, and then fifth one is unit cell, and then sixth one is non-primitive. These are the lattice parameters. First one is lattice, basis, and then lattice plane, and then primitive cell, and then unit cell, and then non-primitive cell. First of all, we discussed about what is lattice. Lattice is nothing but the position of the atoms or molecules called as lattice. That is called as position of the atoms. That is called as lattice. Basis is nothing but the crystal structure formed by two types. Basis, nothing but basis plus lattice point. Lattice point to combine together form a crystal structure. Okay. In this case, lattice point is nothing but very well known about. What is lattice point? The position of the atoms and molecules called as lattice point. Basis nothing but atoms. That is, for example, NaCl. In this case, Na plus ion, then Cl minus ions. These two atoms are occupied in lattice point. That is called as, it is formed as a crystal structure. That is called as, for example. Okay, for example, the basis is nothing but, for example of the basis, Na plus Cl minus ion. In this case, this atom is Na plus and then Cl minus ion. These atoms are occupied in lattice point. It is form a crystal structure. These are the example for basis. Next one is lattice plane. Lattice plane is nothing but two or more lattice points joined together. It will be formed as a lattice plane. This system is called as lattice plane. And the next one is unit cell. Unit cell is nothing but three-dimensional structure having 8 corner atoms. Okay, no? Unit cell is nothing but three-dimensional structure and having 8 corner atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is called as the unit cell. Fundamental building block having 8 corner atoms. That is called as unit cell. Next one is primitive. Primitive, it consists of only one lattice point. That is called as primitive cell. And then non-primitive is nothing but two or more lattice point present inside the cubic structure. That is called as non-primitive cell. For example of primitive cell, primitive example, simple cubic, and then a non-primitive consists of two or more lattice points present inside the cubic structure. That is called as non-primitive cell. The example of the non-primitive cell is FCC and then BCC. In this case, FCC is nothing but face-centered atom, BCC is nothing but body-centered cubic structure. Now next we briefly explained about simple cubic structure. FCC structure. Okay, next class we discussed about the topics.